This video will simply introduce how to install Blum jaw runners and jaw. This is a 5-jaw cabinet. Each jaw has the same head, and each jaw front panel. The head is 117 mm, and the head is include the gap. This is Blum jaw runner. There are left and right 2 parts. This is fixing accessories. Also have 2 parts, left and right. First step, put the jaw runner on the jaw boxes. The purpose is find the right hold position. This is finally whole finished picture. Second step, fix the fixing accessories on the bottom of jaw boxes. Attach to front panel. We should install the jaw runners from bottom to top. The bottom jaw runner position is just need attached to the bottom panel and the side panel. On the jaw runners, there are many different positions for fixing. We just need to drill 2 or 3 holes. According the on-site situation, we can choose the best position for drilling. The left side is the same method with the right side. Now for the second jaw runner, the right position should be 117 mm up from the bottom runners. The left is the same method with the right side. Finally, pull out the jaw runners and fix jaw boxes on the runners. That's all. Thank you.